What's the meaning of amp? Amp. 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 Amp.
Amp is short for amplifier. An amplifier is an electronic device that increases the power of a signal. Amplifiers are commonly used in audio systems to make sound louder, but they are also used in radio and television broadcasting, as well as scientific and medical equipment. Amplifiers work by taking an input signal and providing a larger output signal with more power. They can be measured by their gain, which is the ratio of output to input power. Amplifiers are essential components in modern electronics and play a vital role in many different industries.